Hi and welcome. Today we will be installing a milling machine safety shield from Ferndale Safety. You will notice that we have already installed the aluminum mounting bracket on the milling machine ram. You can see our installation tech installing the arm assembly on this aluminum bracket. Once the arm is mounted, use a metric Allen key to tighten up 2 set screws mounted underneath the arm assembly. Great! Now that we have the arm assembly mounted, let's make some adjustments. First, we must loosen all the movable joints, starting with the one closest to the mounting bracket. Using an adjustable wrench, loosen the big nut closest to the mounting arm and push the arm assembly towards the back. While holding the arm assembly up, retighten the nut as shown here. Be careful not to over-tighten the nut. Now, move up the arm and loosen the next adjustment point using an Allen key wrench until the arm is free to move, as you see here. Do the same thing for the last adjustment point, closest to the chrome tube. With all the adjustment points loosened up, grab the arm and pull it down, compressing the gas spring. Position the arm to your liking and start tightening up the adjustment points to lock in their position. Start with the middle screw, being careful not to over-tighten it. Next, position the chrome tube, which will adjust the tilt of the chip shield. You don't have to have the chrome tube perfectly vertical. Feel free to adjust the tube at an angle towards the operator. We're almost done. The next step is mounting the shield. Slide the shield's rings over the chrome tube. Ensure the chrome tube is twisted clockwise, which will also correctly align the interlock switch. Once you position the shield to your liking, tighten up all the set screws to lock the shield on the chrome tube. And that's it. Test out the safety guard and make sure that it moves around freely. You can still make adjustments if the shield is not exactly where you want it. If you have questions or need help, email or call us. We're always glad to help. To find out how to contact us or to order spare parts, go to www.ferndalesafety.com. We hope this video helped you out. Stay safe.